the pink one? Why? Why would I do that? Why, Emily? Why, Emily? Why, Emily? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe below if you like what you see. I'm going to be doing a Ross haul for you guys. I just did like a DIY marble desk. I was looking for things to decorate my vanity with. You guys see in previous videos, I'll probably have them linked here, or I'll put the links in the description box for you guys. I had two different ways to do a vanity mirror. I had the one where you put the vanity mirror on the wall and you build a shelf right under it, and I also had one where you do just a regular tabletop and putting your vanity mirror on top of your table. So like I said, I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got from Ross. I'm gonna show you guys the smaller things that I got first. I'm gonna be doing a video on how to properly clean your makeup brushes. The first thing that I got the cosmetic brush bath, and it's just different types of textures in here for you to make cleaning your brushes a lot more easier for you guys. So I got this. It was really cute, only $4.99. I got the Kabuki kit by ALLL, and this was only $4.99. That's the only reason why I got it. I'm not really a huge fan of Kabuki brushes, but this is something that I could put in my travel bag. So I also, for my brushes as well, I got this single pocket organizer from Real Techniques, and they did have another one. It was like this long, and it had two other little pockets, and you literally just clip this onto your mirror, which is really cool. So I'll probably just put my brushes up there, just the ones that I use the most. It's only $1.99. And like I said, I needed to replace my brushes, so I went and got, they even have BH Cosmetics, you guys. I got this Royal Affair brush set. It's a 10-piece metallized brush set, and I've never tried these before, so I'm probably going to do a review on these. And I don't know how new or old these brushes are, but I don't really purchase things for the hype. When I'm able to purchase it, then I'll purchase it, if that makes any sense. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys all the makeup storage. I got this specifically for my brushes and my beauty blenders. This was literally only $4.99. I also got this little guy here, not only because it was $3.99, but this is another way for me to store my makeup brushes as well. I'm trying to save the best for last. In Ross yesterday, I actually ended up getting this cosmetic organizer specifically for my palettes. So it can either lay down like this, which I would probably use it like that, or you guys can set it up like this and just stick random things in there. You don't necessarily have to use this for your palettes. Last but not least, I thought for some reason I got the all clear one, but I didn't. I grabbed the pink one. And this is an acrylic case that I was looking for something like this. Oh, that last thing that I just showed you guys was $8.99. But this was $22.99. I'm really picky about what type of makeup storage I wanted, so that's why I only bought these 4 items. Now, as my makeup collection grows, then I'll go ahead and buy more stuff. But for the most part, I don't like how my makeup is stored. I literally store it on a shelf, and it just looks so unorganized. As a special bonus, I'm just going to show you guys how I set up this stuff on my vanity mirror. And let me just stop all the talking. Let me just hop right into the video. Let's get started, ladies. Let's get started, ladies.